Hello students, today we will discuss how to make professional looking charts. We are having ribbon here. Under this we are having the insert tab. In insert tab we are having the chart command. Now in the charts group we are having the recommended charts, some other options, that is insert pie or insert the line, insert graphs, insert bars, whatever. Now firstly, what is the use of insert column chart? You are having the column chart. The use of it is to preview your data as a 2D or 3D vertical column chart. Then you are going to select your table and you are going for the insert column chart. There you are having the options of 2D, 3D, 2D bar or 3D bar charts. You are having insert bar chart. Sorry, this one. Insert chart bar. It is to preview your data as the horizontal bar. This one, the horizontal. This one, horizontal. This one is the vertical bars. Now the other one is you have the option of increase to insert the stock, surface or radar chart. It is to preview your data as a 2D stock chart or surface chart or 3D radar chart. If you are going to put, look, there are the options. Look. The other option is insert line chart. This one. Again, it is used for the 2D line or the 3D line, 2D area, two-dimensional area, that is, or three-dimensional area. The other one is the insert combo chart. It is to preview your data as a 2D combo clustered column and line. Look, you're having clustered columns here and you're having the line bars here. Look. The other option, you're having the pie here. It will give you the results in the form of a pie chart, that is two-dimensional, three-dimensional or dot net. The other one is the bubble chart. It is to show your data in the form of bubbles on a chart. There are different positions for it. It is the one way to get your charts from the insert tab. The other way to get your charts is by selecting your data table and you just press quick analysis. Just click it, click the button charts and you're getting all the charts here. When you press more, you will get all the charts. So this is another way to get your charts for the data instantly. Now the other way is how to move and resize embedded charts. We just press this one. It is your chart. When you're going to move your chart on the screen, you just click your mouse and you just drag it. You can move it anywhere on your screen. If you want to resize it, when you're getting a double head arrow, you just drag it to the upper side. You can also drag it to the left side. Look, these are the ways how to resize your charts. Now there is another way to customize your charts. It is from the design tab. This is the design tab. You can see, you can select any of the style for it. That is it is showing off style 5, style 6. Look, different styles you are offering. You can also move for the further styles by pressing the arrow, downward arrow and the forward arrow. Look, this is a way how to design or customize your charts. Now you can also add the title to your chart. What you have to do is you just go to the heading and you double click this, start typing the name of your chart and you just press enter. It is going to rename your title of your chart. The other option is to edit your horizontal or vertical axis. You can click the axis, right click it. You can change your fonts. You can change the color, outline color. You can also change the fill color. Like if you're getting the red, green, whatever, yellow, whatever color you want to choose for it. You can also change the designing of your x-axis in the same way. It is a y-axis. You can also change the data design on your horizontal axis. Like you can also change its font, its color. When you click on the right, you can change its font, its color. You can also delete it. Okay, so this is the way to customize your charts and to edit their titles and to edit their x-axis designing, their y-axis designing. Thank you.